The compact and efficient XR60B industrial space heater is ideal for heating large indoor areas such as factories, workshops and garages quickly and economically. It is fueled by diesel or paraffin and produces an impressive 14.7 kilowatts of heat. That's 50,000 BTU. The XR60B features high-efficiency air and fuel filters and a variable heat control with a thermostat which enables it to raise the temperature of any area to the desired level quickly, efficiently and without fuss. The thermostat allows the heater to cycle on and off as heat is required. Fitted with an ergonomic handle and trolley, the XR60B can be transported from place to place with ease and is ideal for localized or full area heating. Weighing only 15.4 kilograms dry, it is powered by a 230-volt motor and features an automatic flame failure cutout. The 15-litre fuel tank will allow the XR60B to run for approximately 9 hours. It benefits from a stainless steel combustion chamber, which is highly durable and resistant to corrosion. So with its high-efficiency air and fuel filters, automatic flame failure cutout and variable heat control, the Clarke XR60B is just the heater to keep your workspace warm and cozy.